Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is this month biggest video because in the video we will discuss about three companies top update. Cognizant is sending the second phase test update, Solera is sending the test update, and Meesho announced the 50 lakh rupees opportunity, that is a data science one role. 21 to 25 batch is eligible. Like and share the video. Your one like motivates me to make more videos for all of you, and in the video I will share every step with all of you. First update is start with the Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for the 2025 batch, we know that, and the next phase Gen Z, next phase examination on 5th May. Okay, after that on 8th May aptitude assessment, technical assessment 12th May. No need to worry about that. I will create the video again that is related to updated pattern, but you can follow this series Cognizant communication assessment updated video, updated pattern, aptitude assessment, aptitude exam cutoff, technical assessment and exam cutoff. Okay, hiring is still active guys. Application window is closes in 3 days. If you not apply for Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro, so it is one of the biggest opportunity. 4 LPA is the salary, 5.4 LPA and the 6.75 LPA for the Gen Z Next. And finally the second phase of test is received. Okay, this is the second phase. As I already said in my previous video that the examination in the form of phases means different dates. This opportunity is for 2025 batch and must apply for opportunity and follow all the process, and all the free preparation videos are already present on our channel. No need to worry about that. I shared each and everything with all of you for free. Let's discuss about the second biggest opportunity, that is Solera. One most important point, I shared this opportunity in the last two videos, this video as well and this video as well. I shared the referral opportunity as well, like it is a referral hiring, and I shared the direct apply link with all of you as well. Associate software engineer 1 Bangalore Hyderabad, and it is for Bangalore location. Okay, one most important point, previously I mentioned that if you are from 21 to 24 batch, okay, so apply for that, but in the form they are giving the option of 2025 batch as well. So I am requesting from 25 batch, apply for opportunity as soon as possible. Both links are active, directly apply, or you can try for referral as well. Okay, so cognitive and personality assessment test Solera, this type of mail is received by candidate. Dear candidate, we are impressed by your background and would like to move forward with your assessment process. Please complete the form which include our criteria assessment. This help us evaluate your skills objectively and find the best fit for team. What they are asking? They are asking first your full name, they are asking contact number and email ID. Okay, they are asking if you have any experience, what's your education, BE, BTech, MTech, ME, PhD, what's your branch. They are asking year of passing, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch. In the previous video I mentioned that 21 to 24 batch is eligible, but they are giving the option of 25 batch. Apply for opportunity as soon as possible. What's your percentage CGPA, preferred work location, how soon you can join Solera if selected. What is the exam pattern of Solera? First is cognitive and personality assessment. Okay, the cognitive assessment measure your ability to solve a problem, learn a new skill and think critically. This portion contain a variety of questions including basic maths, pattern recognition and verbal ability. So guys, this is your examination pattern of Solera. The aptitude assessment will be there, in which 20 minutes of time and 40 questions are there. Okay, total aptitude examination are there. I suggest you can go to IndiaBix website and you can practice the questions of aptitude. Okay, so questions including maths related question, verbal ability, English related question and pattern recognition related question. Okay, so total 20 minutes of time, 40 questions are there. Workplace behavior assessment. This personality assessment is respond to statement about yourself. There are no right or wrong answer. It is self-paced. Okay, 10 minutes are there and total 28 questions are there. How what do you mean by workplace behavioral? Means यहाँ पर situations related questions रहेंगे. Mostly true, likely true, okay, mostly false and likely false. This type of statement, like statement are there वर्कप्लेस पे जहाँ पे आप जैसे मल्टीपल टास्क कर सकते हैं, ऐसे क्वेश्चन रहेगा. यू आर मल्टीटास्कर, आपको चूज करना है ट्रू, लाइकली ट्रू, मोस्टली फॉल्स और लाइकली फॉल्स. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन they will ask in 10 minutes and 28 questions are there, or total 28 parts are there. For the best experience, stable internet connection and in destruction free environment, for optimal experience please use Chrome, Firefox or Safari to complete the test. The assessment may also be taken on a tablet or mobile device, but I suggest अपने लैपटॉप पे या कंप्यूटर पे टेस्ट को दीजिए. After completing this cognitive test, okay, if they will conduct one coding examination, so totally depends on them. After that the interview will be there. The interview will be related to the technical and HR. Okay, so it is a biggest opportunity guys, and this is about the Solera update. Let's discuss about our third company, that is Meesho campus hiring for data scientist, one role 25 batch. CTC is 50 lakh rupees and BTech MTech is eligible for opportunity. Directly job description is this: Meesho extended campus hiring. Okay, this is the job description, everything, and this is the apply link. Apply for opportunity. 25 batch is only eligible for opportunity. And Meesho is hiring for software development engineer 1 data role and software development engineer 1 backend role. Here they not mention about batch, but they mention BTech preferably from previous institution, from premier institution. So you can apply for this one as well. This is for graduates, I think. Okay, I hope you like the video, and this is the biggest video for 3 companies. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.